Hey guys! In today's video let's take a look at Bose TV Speaker. The Bose TV Speaker is a compact and easy-to-use soundbar released in 2020 that aims to enhance your TV sound with clarity and bass. Its small, compact design makes it ideal for those who don't have a lot of space in their setup, and its 2.0 design makes it ideal for enhancing stereo content, which includes most music and TV shows. It has a simple design and a single connection to your TV via an optical audio cable or an HDMI cable. It also has Bluetooth connectivity so you can stream music and podcasts from your devices. The Bose TV speaker comes with a remote control that lets you adjust the volume, switch between sources, enable dialogue mode, and boost the bass. The sound quality of the Bose TV speaker is impressive for its size. It has two full-range drivers that are angled to deliver wide and spatial sound, and a center tweeter that clarifies speech and dialogue. It also has a bass port on the back that enhances the low-frequency performance, and a dialogue mode that analyzes and enhances vocals for better clarity. The sound is balanced and natural, with enough detail and depth to make you feel immersed in your content. The Bose TV speaker supports Dolby Digital content via its ARC port. It's the most commonly used surround sound format, and you come across it on streaming platforms. However, there's no support for more advanced lossless or object-based formats like Dolby Atmos. The Bose TV speaker has a sleek and elegant design that complements any TV setup. It has a low-profile, perforated metal grille in a smooth matte black plastic shell. It measures just over 23 inches wide and 2 inches tall, so it can fit in front of most TVs without blocking the screen. It also has universal mounting holes on the back, so you can hang it on the wall with an optional bracket. The build quality of the Bose TV speaker is great. It feels sturdy and solid, and the metal grille gives it a premium look and feel. The remote control is also well made and easy to use. The speaker has a simple and minimalist design with no display or indicators for volume level or source selection. Instead, it uses small LED lights that turn on or change color when certain features are enabled or when you adjust the volume. They also blink to acknowledge your commands. The Bose TV speaker has 3 inputs: optical audio, HDMI ARC, and auxiliary analog. It also has Bluetooth connectivity so you can stream music and podcasts from your devices. It does not have Wi-Fi connectivity or smart features, which mean you cannot use voice assistants or integrate it with other Bose speakers. The Bose TV speaker has a few drawbacks that you should be aware of. First, it does not have a subwoofer, which means that the bass performance is limited. You can add a wired subwoofer from Bose, but that will cost you extra. Second, it does not have Wi-Fi connectivity or smart features, which means that you cannot use voice assistants or integrate it with other Bose speakers. Third, it does not have a display or indicators for volume level or source selection, which can be inconvenient. The Bose TV speaker is a compact 2.0 soundbar that delivers decent bass with smooth and neutral mids right out of the box, which is better suited for dialogue-centric content. If you want more bass, you can expand this setup down the line with one of Bose's bass modules. Overall, the Bose TV speaker is a good option for anyone who wants a simple and affordable soundbar that can improve their TV sound and also play music wirelessly. It has a sleek design, a straightforward setup, and a clear and immersive sound quality. However, if you are looking for more bass, more features, or more integration options, you might want to consider other soundbars from Bose. For buying options and more information about this soundbar, check the links in video description. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my 2 next videos. See you soon.